Here, want another piece? That's a big bite. How big is Carter? Carter's so big! Yay! Because you ate a big boy bite. Can you tell me what you're eating for dinner? I'm eating pizza. I like the big piece. Emmy got me these little pieces. Carter, can you wave? Wave to Maggie and Lindsay. I love you. Oh, you want more? Yummy. Where does it go, Carter? In your tummy? Pizza, 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 pizza. Oh, pizza, 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 pizza. Yay! I love pizza, say. I want more. Just give me the whole thing. Let me give it to me. I want pizza. We don't eat the crust. We just eat this part. Yay! Oh, okay, you can have it. Okay, what are you gonna do?